Hello friends, I am Bhagwan Singh and once again I welcome you to our official channel of Lotus Overseas Academy as the admission office of European University Georgia. In my previous videos, I talked about best universities and country to study medicine abroad and concluded that European University in Georgia is the best. But the big question is why? Why European University is the best? Friends, to judge a university, we have to listen and check some parameters, and these parameters are accreditation and recognitions, tie-ups with other countries, infrastructure, etc. So let's start and talk about these parameters one by one. First, accreditations and recognitions. European University is authorized by Ministry of Education, Science, Culture and Sports of Georgia and is accredited by National Center for Educational Quality Enhancement, that is NCEQE. This means that at every step, quality of education is monitored by NCEQE. Number 2. European University is recognized by WHO, that is World Health Organization, and is duly registered in the Register of World Directory of Medical Schools. And this World Directory of Medical Schools has been developed through a partnership between WFME, that is World Federation for Medical Education, and FEMER, Foundation for Advancement of International Medical Education and Research. Number 3. European University is active participant of Bologna process. Bologna process is a series of ministerial meetings and agreements between European countries to ensure compatibility in the standards and quality of higher education. So, as an active participant of Bologna process and is affiliated member of INCA, that is European Association for Quality Assurance in Higher Education. And please note again here, it's a duty of NCEQE to ensure that educational institute and programs meet the standards of INCA, and therefore all programs accredited by NCEQE are recognized in 48 member countries of Bologna process in Europe and beyond. Next, European University is a member of very prestigious association, the Association for Medical Schools in Europe, that is AMEE, which is a worldwide organization with members in 90 countries of 5 continents. AME looks after development of new approaches to curriculum, planning learning teaching methods, assessment techniques, and supports teachers and institutes in their current activities. Next, the European University Faculty of Medicine is recognized by the Council of Higher Education of Turkey. And above all, which is most important for Indian students, is MCI, that is Medical Council of India. MCI is a statutory body regulating affiliation and doctors' registration in India. It is also highest authority in India which recognizes foreign diplomas of Indian nationals, and European University is recognized by MCI. Next is OSCE, that is Objective Structured Clinical Examination. European University had added syllabus of OSCE in its curriculum, and along with your MBBS degree, you would be getting a certification of OSCE. The benefits of OSCE certifications are: number 1, you would be able to get admission in post-graduation specialization programs in another European countries. That is, it would be easy for you to get admission in PG programs in other European countries. Number 2, it will help you to pass national exit test, that is next, in India after completion of your degree to register yourself with MCI, as next exam would be totally based on clinical studies. Next, now I'll talk about the most important certification, and that is ECFMG, Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates. The students who has the dream to work as a doctor in USA and would like to pass the USMLE, then the university where they are studying must be certified by ECFMG. ECFMG certification is one of the eligibility requirements for international medical graduates to take step 3 of the 3-step United States Medical Licensing Exam, that is USMLE. Because medical licensing authorities in USA requires that international medical graduates be certified by ECFMG among other requirements to obtain an unrestricted license to practice medicine. So ECFMG certification is an effective screening mechanism for ensuring that international medical graduates in patient care situations have met minimum standards. So it is very clear that how important is ECFMG certification for your career, and European University is ECFMG certified institute. Now the tie-ups with other countries and other institutes. European University has contracts and agreements with other European countries such as Poland, Austria, Hungary, Slovenia, France, and also with South Korea, Turkey and India. Many of our students of European University had already participated in student exchange programs and seminars. A few of them are Adarsh Pal Singh and Yugdeep Singh Dudi. Both participated in the 44th FEBS Congress held in Poland in July 2019. Nikhil Kumar participated in a conference conducted by AMEE held in Austria in August. In clinical practices in Turkey. Vaishnavi Yugdeep Singh Dodi appeared for clinical practices in Hungary. And there are many more students who participated in different programs in other countries. Besides this, European University has agreements in India too. It has agreements with Max Multi-Speciality Hospital, Pan India, and very prestigious Spinal Injury Hospital in New Delhi for clinical practices to our students during holidays period under the supervision of Indian and well-qualified doctors on Indian patients in Indian climate to know more about the symptoms and diseases. Now we will talk about the infrastructure of the university. The European University as of now has 2 well-equipped buildings with modern and up-to-date classrooms, well-designed laboratories with the latest equipments and apparatus, big well-furnished seminar halls, and a modern library with a rich collection of literature and theses, both digital and in print, and includes world's largest electronic research database such as Elsevier, EBSCO and EIFL. The European University is affiliated with 49 multi-specialty hospitals and specialized clinics in Georgia. The European University is the only medical university which has its own well-furnished students' residence built in well compliance with European standards. It is strictly on twin occupancy and all rooms are airy and attached with independent washrooms and balconies. And last but not the least, European University has a very good network of well-qualified and experienced consultants across India from Kashmir to Kerala and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh to assist you for registration, admission, visa and travel plans. And we are again there to welcome you, to assist you for further formalities in Georgia. So students, think wisely, check all parameters, take decision, choose European University and contact us for any more information and know about the consultants in your territory. Thank you. Thank you very much.